Welcome back, and in our business news, the Middle East's project spending is set to rise next year, and the UAE has been tipped to spend the most, according to the latest report. According to a local paper, a survey by PricewaterhouseCoopers shows that an upgrade to the energy sector and massive government spending on infrastructure will boost the project's market next year. 72% of those surveyed by PwC believe that more money will flow into projects in the Middle East, and respondents ranked the UAE as the country with most investment opportunities, ahead of second-placed Qatar. The survey also showed that the requisite funds are not always readily available, as half of the respondents reported that they suffered from funding constraints. Additionally, in the GCC, oil and gas contracts worth $50 billion will be awarded in 2013, according to Mead Insight, almost double the amount invested this year. The Indian property show opened at the Dubai World Trade Center today and is set to be the biggest show in its history, with an expected 18,000 visitors over the three-day event. Inaugurated by His Excellency Sultan Bhuti bin Mehran, the Director General of the Land Department, the exhibition is showcasing properties worth 30 billion dirhams by over 90 developers, exhibiting over 300 projects and 1,000 plus properties. These vary from budget homes to multi-million rupee investments from across India. Officials say that the show has become the preferred choice for non-resident Indian buyers in the UAE. They added that big cities such as Delhi and Mumbai are still offering good returns, but smaller satellite cities such as Pune, Gurgaon and Noida have emerged as key destinations for investments.
When you look at the Indian property market, it has its ups and downs like any market around the world. But with a population of 1.2, 1.3 billion people, demand actually never disappears. I always compare it to, like, if you're hungry, you have a choice of A or B. You can go and have, some Indian or Chinese. But if you're looking for a real estate property and then you don't buy, well, there's no other alternative. You're going to hold that demand, it gets pent up. So what happens in India, when prices do stagnate or go down, the demand doesn't disappear. It stays there, and then when the prices become more favorable or interest rates become more favorable, that demand is released, and then prices go up again. So what we're seeing in India at the moment is a little bit of leveling off of prices, but I believe that in the long term, if you're looking at investing in India, you can't lose.
The UAE has become the fourth most attractive location for infrastructure development, behind Singapore, Qatar and Canada. The EC Harris Infrastructure Investment Index report showed that the UAE came in at fourth place, off the back of its world-class taxation system and pro-business environment. It added that the UAE has a high GDP per capita than that of Saudi Arabia, along with a more regulated government. The UAE's position also means that it outperforms the likes of the USA, China, the UK, Japan and Australia. The index ranks countries based on the quality of existing infrastructure, economic environment, ease of doing business, political, social environment, and availability of the financial environment. And let's now take a look at the stock indices across the GCC.